Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In previous class we discussed some exercise problems. Some more exercise problems will continue in this class. So now first problem number 10 in exercise 9.2. If the sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of first q terms. Sum of first p terms is equal to sum of first q terms. Then find the sum of first p plus q terms. P plus q terms. This problem is simple problem, but simplification is very lengthy here. You observe. Let A be the first term. And B be the common difference of an arithmetic progression. First I am taking A is the first term, B is the common difference of an arithmetic progression. What they given? Given sum of p terms. Sum of p terms, that is SP is equal to p by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d. And or else directly we can write here, we know that SQ is equal to q by 2 2a plus q minus 1 into d. Sum of n terms means n will write. Sum of p terms p, sum of q terms q we have to replace. By given condition, sum of p terms is equal to sum of first q terms. So now substitute here p by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to q by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d. Only these two formulas. Next simplification only. Just simplification. 2 get cancelled. And write down here 2ap, p multiplied inside, plus p into p minus 1 into d. Just multiplication. Next 2aq plus q into q minus 1 into d. So total one side you have to send this total I am sending left side. What will get? 2ab plus p into p minus 1d into d minus 2aq. This value sent left side, this value also sent left side, minus q into q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Just the left side sending. Next, in this 2a is there. I will take 2a common. 2a if we are taking common, p minus q will get. In these 2a take common, p minus q will get. Next, in this 2. What is the common? Common is d. So I take plus d common. Plus d if we are taking common. What will get this total value? P into p square. P into minus 1 minus p. Next here q into minus q square. Minus q into minus 1 plus q is equal to 0. Next step, 2a into p minus q plus d into, in this 2 plus, in this 2, a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Here also a plus p is there. So p plus q into p minus q. P plus q into P minus Q. Next, in these two, I am taking common minus of P minus Q. First of all, in these two places, we are writing using formula a square plus b, a square minus b square formula I am using here. Next step, I will take common here these two. P minus Q is there. So I will take common P minus Q. 2a into P minus Q plus d into P minus Q if you are taking common. P minus Q I am taking common. So what you will get? P plus Q minus 1. P plus Q minus 1. So now, again you observe P minus Q is there. I will take P minus Q common again. P minus Q into 2a plus d into P plus Q minus 1 is equal to 0. I am taking common. So next step, I will write here 2a plus d into P plus Q minus 1 is equal to 0. Sir, why are you not taking this one? If you are taking this one equal to 0, P equal to Q you will get. So P equal to Q not possible. Why? Because arithmetic progression, common difference should be same only. So that purpose, P is not equal to Q here. So this one we can't take, only this value equal to 0. Either this one 0 or this one 0. This is not possible means compulsory this value should be equal to 0. So now I need D value. That purpose only. D into P plus Q minus 1 is equal to minus 2a. Minus 2a. This value should be right side. Next step, D value minus 2a divided by P plus Q minus 1. P plus Q minus 1 is the D value. By this total simplification, what we got? D value we got. Now what we have to find? Sum of first P plus Q terms. Therefore, formula S plus SP plus Q. Sn formula same to same. P plus Q by 2 into 2a plus P plus Q minus 1 into D. A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is P plus Q. N plus P plus Q we have to write. So now here D value we know already, this D value substitute there. P plus Q by 2 into 2a plus P plus Q minus 1 into minus 2a by P plus Q minus 1. P plus Q minus 1 get cancelled. Next, P plus Q by 2 into 2a minus 2a. 2a minus 2a is 0. So, S plus P plus Q. Sum of first P plus Q terms is 0. Next step, problem number 11. Sum of the first P, Q and R terms of an arithmetic progressions are A, B and C respectively. Prove that the given. In this problem, simplification. Problem is lengthy, but simplification, if you know the problem totally, very easy. So here, first of all, we have to take here first term and common difference. Let A1 be the first term, and D is the common difference of an arithmetic progression. Sir, why are you taking here A1? A1 you are taking. Actually, first term is A, but I am taking as a A1. Why? Because already the given sum is A, B, C. So again this A will be matched. So that purpose, variation purpose only I am taking here first term as a1. Next, by given sum of first p terms, Sp is equal to, what is the formula? P by 2 into 2a1 plus p minus 1 into d is equal to a. Why I am taking a1? Again this 2 will be matched, so that purpose only I am taking as a1. This implies we can write that 2a1 plus p minus 1 into d is equal to, this value send the right side, it will become reverse, 2a by p, 2a by p. This is the first one. Next, q terms, sum of q terms, SQ is equal to q by 2 into 2a1 plus q minus 1 into d is equal to d. Sum of q terms is d. This implies 2a1 plus q minus 1 into d is equal to reverse 2b by q. Next one, SR. Sum of first r terms is equal to r by 2 into 2a1 plus r minus 1 into d is equal to c. Next, the same simplification to make here, 2a1 plus r minus 1 into d is equal to 2c by r. 2c by r. Now, by given we wrote this r, we have to prove this line. For that purpose, I make the simplifications here. I am naming as this one as a equation 1, 2 and 3. So now I'll make the simplifications, subtraction I'll make. 1 minus 2 I'll make first. 1 minus 2 I'll make. So what value you will get 1 minus 2? I'll write here 2a1 plus p minus 1 into d minus 2a1 minus q minus 1 into d is equal to 2a by b minus 2a by 2b by just left side subtraction, right side subtraction I wrote there. So now you can observe plus 2a1 minus 2a1 both get cancelled. Now I'll take here d common. If d common taking, what we will get? P minus 1 minus q plus 1 is equal to, take the LCM here. PQ is the LCM. So what we will get here? 2AQ minus 2BP. 2AQ minus 2BP. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. D is equal to how much you get? This value sent denominator. So what? Again I am taking here 2 also common. In these 2 common value is 2. 2AQ minus BP minus BP divided by PQ into P minus Q. PQ into P minus Q. The value we got. Next, similar way, I make the simplification of 2 minus 3. 1 minus 2 we did. Next, 2 minus 3 are making. 2 is what? 2 is 2a1 plus q minus 1 into d. Left side minus 2a1 minus r minus 1 into d is equal to 2b by q minus 2c by r. Just left side subtraction, right side subtraction. 2a1 get cancelled. Now D is the common value. Take the common Q minus 1. Q minus 1 multiply inside minus R plus 1 minus R plus 1 is equal to, take the LCM is QR. So cross multiply 2BR minus 2CQ. 2CQ. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, send to denominator. D is equal to 2 is the common value, take the common BR minus CQ divided by QR into Q minus R. QR into Q minus R. You observe what is this D value. This is also D value. We know common difference is same. Common difference is there. Then the sequence in AP, arithmetic progression. Otherwise not. We know that these two values equal. Why? Because D value should be same. So I will write here this one, equation number 4 and equation number 5. We know that 4 is equal to 5. Equation you have to make here just. So I will write here 2 into AQ minus BP divided by PQ into P minus Q is equal to 2 into BR minus CQ divided by QR into Q minus R. Now, these two get cancelled, and here Q get cancelled. Now cross multiplication we make here. AQ minus BP into R into Q minus R. Cross multiply. This value multiply here and remaining this value multiply there. So BR minus CQ into P into P minus Q. P into P minus Q. So now next step, next what we have to make here, next multiplication we have to make here. So R multiplied inside, this R multiplied inside, what will get? AQR minus BPR into Q minus R is equal to, here P multiplied BRP minus CQP into P minus Q. So now we got some more value, but we have to show this one. That purpose only, dividing with PQR, dividing with PQR on both sides, dividing with PQR on both sides. So what value will get if we are dividing? What values will get? AQR divided by PQR minus BPR divided by PQR into Q minus R. That is equal to this side also dividing, we have to make BRP divided by PQR minus CQP divided by PQR into P minus, just dividing on both sides with PQR. So now you observe QR get cancelled, PR get cancelled. Next RP QP cancel. So now we have to multiply here. A by P into Q minus R minus B by Q into Q minus R. This value send left side. What will get? Minus B by Q into b by q into p minus q. b by q into p minus q. Negative. Next, this negative is a positive. c by r into p minus q is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now make the simplifications here. A by p into q minus r minus b by q, I am taking common, minus b by q taking common, q minus r plus p minus q plus c by r into p minus q is equal to 0. b by q common taking, just here q get cancelled, q get cancelled, and you observe here r minus p is there, but we got minus r plus p. So negative I take common here, a by p q minus r plus p by q r minus p c by r p minus q is equal to 0. So we got the required equation. So hence proved. Hence proved. Problem is lengthy, but just a simplification. We won't use any different tricks here. First of all, formulas we know the formulas, and by using the subtraction. And one more main point is dividing with PQR. Sir, why are we dividing with PQR? Means we have to get this equation. This equation purpose only we are making, dividing with PQR. Now, problem number 12. The ratio of the sum of m and n terms of an AP. Sum of m terms and n terms ratio they given. Show that the ratio of mth and nth terms they are asking, terms is. We have to show that one. Already we discussed some examples and exercise problem also. Same method we have to solve this problem also. See here, first of all I will take that A be the first term, A be the first term, B be the common difference of an arithmetic progression. Given what they given? Ratio they given. Ratio means divided by sum of first m terms and sum of nth terms. Ratio they given, that is m square by n square given. This total words convert into equation. Sm. What is the Sm formula? Sm formula is m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square by n square. Just formula substitution. 2 get cancelled here. 1n cancel. 1n cancel. So remaining what is that we have to write here? 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m by n. Up to this one completed. Now we have to take m value and n value. In previous problems also we discussed that n value is 35. 34 you will get simplification purpose. Here also we need m and n term. So that purpose I will take here, put m equal to 2m minus 1, n equal to 2n minus 1. Here two different values is there. So two values we have to substitute. Sir, why are you substituting this one? By this substitutions, we will get the mth term and nth term. You observe it. 2a plus 2m minus 1 divided by 2a plus 2n minus 1 d is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. So now make the simplifications here. 2a plus 2m minus 2. 2a plus 2n minus 2 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. So now what is the common value in this total? Common value is 2. A plus m minus 1 into d divided by 2 common. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. 2 get cancelled. So now I can write the ratio. The ratio I will write mth term of an AP divided by nth term of an AP is. What is the formula? Nth term and nth term a plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 into d. You observe two equations we are getting. This one equation 1, this one equation number 2. This one we know that. By these two, what we can write? Mth term of AP divided by nth term of an AP is equal to ratio. These two same mean these two also same. 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. What is the ratio between nth and nth term? 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1 is 2. 2n minus 1. We are getting mth term and nth term ratio is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Hence proved. Next, problem number 13. If the sum of n terms of an AP, sum of n terms equivalent, that is nothing but Sn equivalent, and mth term means am equivalent. Find the value of m. Find the value of m. Simple problem this one. Solution: let a be the first term, a be the first term, b be the common difference of an arithmetic progression. Given mth term am is equal to 164. Am formula right here. A plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 164. Am completed. Next step, mth term completed. One more also they given sum of n terms, and Sn is equal to what they given? 3n square plus 5n. Sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Sn formula we know. Write down the formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 3n square plus 5n. So now I write here multiplication, just multiplication 2na by 2 multiply inside plus n into n square d by 2, d also multiply inside, n also multiply inside, n into 1m d by 2, 3n square plus 5n. Here 2 get cancelled. First I will write n square into d by 2, n square d by 2. Here n is there, here also n is there. I will take the common n plus n into a minus d by 2 is equal to 3n square plus 5n. Now you observe n square, n. Already we discussed some problems. Comparing on both sides. N square coefficient 3. Here n square coefficient d by 2 is equal to 3. N square coefficient purpose. N coefficient purpose a minus b by 2 is equal to 5. So now I'll make the simplifications. D is equal to 6. D equal to 6. This 6 value substitute here. A minus 6 by 2 is equal to 5. 3 is 5 plus 3. A is equal to 8. 2 3 are 6. 3 and negative is there. Positive you will get. Total 5 plus 3 is 8. A is 8. D is 6. Substitute these two values in this one, taking as an equation 1. Equation 1 substituting. 1 implies A value is 8 plus M minus D. D value is 6 is equal to 164. We need M value. So that's why M minus 1 into 6, send left side. 164 minus 8, 156. M minus 1 into 6 is equal to 156. 6 table cancellation. 6 1s are 6 2s are. 6 2s are 12, 36. 6 6s are 36. So now M minus 1 is equal to 26. M is equal to 26 plus 1, that is 27. M value is 27. What is asking? Find the M value. So M value is 27.